Honda unveiled the CB1000 Hornet at EIC 2023 in Europe, generating significant interest despite limited initial details. New patent filings have since revealed exciting information about this upcoming motorcycle, which is expected to enter production in late 2024 and launch in early 2025. One standout feature of the CB1000 Hornet is its innovative air intake system. Departing from the traditional sport bike ram air design, this model channels cool air through the side panels to enhance engine performance, while effectively keeping rainwater out. Additionally, the system is engineered to direct engine sound toward the rider, reminiscent of the Yamaha MT-09 setup. On the mechanical side, the CB1000 Hornet will be powered by a 999cc inline-4 engine sourced from the 2017 Honda CBR1000RR Fireblade. However, Honda plans to retune this engine to deliver approximately 150 brake horsepower and over 110 Nm of peak torque. To enhance the riding experience, the bike will feature a ride-by-wire throttle system, allowing for multiple riding modes, alongside a traction control system and an anti-hopping slipper clutch. Further enhancing its performance and comfort, the CB1000 Hornet will be equipped with 41mm Showa SFF forks and a linkage-type Showa monoshock. Riders will also enjoy modern connectivity with a 5-inch TFT display that includes Bluetooth capabilities. With these impressive features, the Honda CB1000 Hornet is shaping up to be a highly anticipated addition to the motorcycle market. With its unique air intake system, powerful engine, and modern technological features like ride-by-wire and Bluetooth connectivity, it is poised to attract both seasoned riders and newcomers alike. As we await its production and launch in early 2025, the CB1000 Hornet is shaping up to deliver a thrilling riding experience that embodies Honda's commitment to performance and innovation.